Joining us now is the firm's General Counsel and CCO, Catherine Dowling. Catherine, congratulations. I imagine there are a few champagne bottles getting decorked right now, but what's next? It's really only now that the hard work starts, right?
Yes, Bonnie, thank you so much for having me. It has been a whirlwind. It is an historic moment. We've been getting after this for many, many years. Great to hear Commissioner Persh. I could listen to her all day. But you're right, Bonnie. Right now is when all of the issuers, and there are a number of us, everybody needs to make sure that they're not going to be the one that has the Boeing door plug, right? So everybody's been testing, everybody's been making sure everything works, and we're feeling really good. We're feeling really confident, but we are also trying to take a little bit of time to enjoy the historic moment here for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Very exciting.
So, Catherine, 11 may start trading tomorrow, or in the next day or two, and I'm curious as to what your target would be for inflows. What would you need in order to survive? And I'll point out here that you're the lowest fee one at the moment at 20 basis points after the first 6 months.
Yeah, and we're very happy to be in that lowest fee position. We do believe that although the estimates are all over the place, to be sure, we do believe that there is a lot of investor interest out there. We base that in historic fact, followed by a number of other ETF issuances that have occurred in the past. We are at heart a research organization led by Matt Hogan. He is an ETF expert. So he's been out there talking to advisors for years now. So we feel that we've got a really good pulse on the interest that's out there. And we feel like we're in a really great space, and we're excited to get this launched tomorrow.
Well, one of the things about ETFs is that, money can trade extremely fast, and there is a bar, right? Of the 11 that may start trading, it's not for sure that they'll all exist in a year's time. What would you need in order to keep existing?
Well, you do want to be out there in the field and talking to advisors, right? So we have a relationship with, we've got relationships with thousands of advisors. We will be out there. Our sales team will be talking to them, telling them about our product, telling them about the fact that we're crypto specialists, that we've been in this for many years. So we will be doing that, having that dialogue. Now that we have, effective registration statement, we can be out there. We can be explaining how we're different, and then we will see what happens with the entire field. But you're right, there are a number of us out there, but that's actually really good for investors. You don't need to have only one. You get a better price point and you get better differentiation. And then it's up to the investor to choose and to look and to see the market and decide what's right for them and what's going to be the best choice for them to add some Bitcoin exposure to their portfolio, because many have been waiting for this.
Right. Well, now Bitcoin itself, it traded above $47,000. It's back at 46,618, still up about 1.5%. A couple of the exchanges, I saw Coinbase, for example, after hours up more than 6%. But if you were an advisor or somebody at home or an institution, how would you value a Bitcoin right now? What is fair value?
I think obviously the price right now has a lot baked in, and it's been fluctuating around the margins with some of the fake news has caused some ups and downs around it. But I think we're pretty fair in the market right now. And then when we'll see, as we go forward, we'll see the interest with the ETF, and I think that will kind of move it forward. I think we'll see a big year for Bitcoin in 2024.
Oh, I'm sure you do, but sometimes the ETF movements have absolutely nothing to do with the Bitcoin movements, right? I mean, unless you sort of hold and store and it's a reflection of the actual value of Bitcoin. I mean, how does the value of the buying and selling of your ETF, how will that be reflected in what Bitcoin itself does?
Well, basically, what we're going to see is what we think is that this is going to create even more interest in Bitcoin. And we think that the price will rise from there based on the interest. That's what we see happening.
There may have been red flags that Gary Gensler is scared of. We know that he's against exchanges, at least. He said that today in his statement when, he said that basically this happened because of the Grayscale court case, that was the only reason, that because of that court case and its findings, that's why the 11 had to get the go-ahead. What are some of the red flags that Gary Gensler doesn't like?
Well, what we've seen from Gensler, from the chairman, is that he has some concerns around the exchanges, the Bitcoin exchanges, feeling that there is not enough separation between the different business units. And that's something that he's been saying in the market for a long time. And he is definitely behind the scenes having conversations with them and trying to have a dialogue about how to make that move in a direction where the SEC will have more comfort with how they work operationally.
Let's start with the news. The SEC approving Bitcoin spot ETF. The NASDAQ side here is that you will be one of several exchanges that list these products. Your reaction to the news, but what it means for your business as well.
Well, we are very proud to partner with BlackRock and with Valkyrie to have their ETFs listed on NASDAQ. And it's really interesting. I think that what it really tells you is that from a regulatory point of view, there's been some maturing of the Bitcoin markets to the point where the SEC has now said we approve these new vehicles that allow retail investors to access Bitcoin. They don't have to actually buy underlying Bitcoin, but they can have an opinion about the trends in Bitcoin, and they can express themselves in a regulated market, which of course is NASDAQ. So also these instruments are highly liquid, and it makes it so that they have ready access to an investable vehicle in this space. So we're excited to be their partner.
There are some sort of cerebral, somewhat academic debates about Bitcoin in particular, about whether it is a risk asset, an asset class. If it is not, is it a store of value? Is the NASDAQ approach that this development kind of moves towards a deeper focus on crypto as an asset class?
I think I have to look at it a little differently. We have ETFs that reflect lots of different instruments and asset classes, whether it's commodities or equities, bonds, other forms of OTC instruments. As long as they're liquid and they have a solid underlying price discovery mechanism, which now the SEC is saying the Bitcoin ETF, the underlying market provides price discovery for the ETF, and they are approving the ETF. So I think that's an interesting signal. But I also would say that that's our job, is to create index products. We have about $500 billion of assets under management in our own indexes, and then to be the listing exchange for those index products that allow investors to invest in all sorts of tradable instruments, including now Bitcoin.
Okay, final question on this subject. Let's go back 24 hours almost. An SEC X account posts. We now know that it was an unauthorized post. It was a hack. We are looking into it, but Twitter, or X, formerly known as Twitter, have explained what they believed happened. Just as the CEO of a leading exchange, just explain to me what it was like for you, that madness of yesterday afternoon, given our Bloomberg audience had a very similar experience.
Well, I think the behaviors in the markets really came from looking at anything that was related to Bitcoin itself. So the underlying Bitcoin markets, and then sort of any sort of public companies that had that kind of underlying asset class as part of their business. But I think for us, it's really a matter of making sure that we think about more generally what protections we put in place as more technology is used to drive trading, but also as more information is being used in real time to direct people, investors. And we look at it more from a protection perspective. We first of all want to think about, as AI comes more into the markets, how do we regulate that appropriately? And I think both the SEC and the CFTC have expressed that they're going to be interested in that. What kind of smart regulation can be put in place? But also, what protections do we have if something were to come into the market? We have our circuit breakers. We have the ability to also cut off any particular market participant that may be acting in an unusual way, and we can obviously use great technology to do that. But then also we have to make sure that as AI becomes a bigger part of the ecosystem, how do we make sure we protect investors in the process?
For our Bloomberg radio and audio, technology and television audience worldwide, I've got technology on the brain all the time. We are speaking with Adina Friedman, the CEO of NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ is a technology company. True or false?
True.
Why?
Okay, so we obviously have this wonderful foundation as a market operator, and we are really, really proud of that. And we are obviously leverage very advanced technology to manage our markets.
We're talking about AI principally at the moment.
Right. But as we've broadened our scope, we provide great technology that really enhances liquidity, transparency, and integrity. In fact, we provide market technology to 130 markets around the world, including many markets in Asia. We provide also risk management and regulatory technology to banks and brokers around the world. And then we also provide anti-financial crime technology to banks around the world. And I think that as we've been looking at the use of AI, we really are focused on how can the technology AI be used to protect markets more effectively, to protect the financial system more effectively, root out criminal actors, and use large language models as well as very large data sets in terms of transactions across banks to be more effective in improving the integrity of the system.
Can we go into detail on the large language models or the underpinnings of what you're doing? Are you building the LLMs yourself, or who are you working with if you're not?
We are not building LLMs ourselves, so we are working with the large language models that exist today. So we have certain products that we are working on with Anthropic, with their Claude model, and certain products or capabilities that we're working on with Microsoft and OpenAI. Most notably, as we think about also using technology on our business. So it's one thing to put it in our products. So we have workflow tools that will become much more efficient with AI. We have also, as I said, our anti-financial crime suite, where they use algorithmic AI to root out very specific criminal behaviors. A child trafficker is going to behave differently in the banking system than someone in a terrorist network. So we have very specific models that we use to predict potential criminal behavior. I think that generally, though, when we look on the business, there's so many co-pilots now that are available, and obviously GitHub Copilot and other Copilot capabilities are going to be what we really focus on.
We took a really broad look at financial and capital markets in 2024 on stage. We talked quite a lot about North America, and I wondered if, particularly in Asia, but are markets moving at the same speed globally? Are there themes that are unique to any markets you see this year different from others?
Well, actually, I think that one common thing we've seen across markets and market operators is that they want to have access to the most advanced technology available. So we've been very focused on moving more of our capabilities into cloud. We've been working with a lot of market operators on how they can think about moving their markets to cloud. We just moved our second options market to AWS Outpost, and we now are working with other markets that are actually deploying markets in the cloud using our technology, or that they're thinking about a similar model to what we have with our AWS partnership. So it is definitely a big trend as how to modernize the markets, how to leverage their data more effectively, how to bring AI into that to could be more innovative within their own markets. And then, of course, in terms of companies coming to market, it depends on the economy. There's certain very vibrant economies that are going to see, I think, a better IPO environment this year, including NASDAQ, including the U.S. But I also think that every economy is a little different in that regard.
We just have 30 seconds.
Okay.
Summarize 2024 for me from Adina Friedman's perspective.
I would say cautiously optimistic. Cautious, it's a complex world. Optimistic, a lot of the economic unknowns are more known. We've got falling inflation, hopefully falling rates over time. Investors feel more ready to put risk capital to work this year.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome in once again, AJC Squad. Much love to each and every one of you guys. Let's go. Pump those likes and spam the chat. We're going to get it popping in just a second.
How do we judge it?
Look, it's tough to say. I think we have to go back to the ETF structure itself and the access that it provides to investors. There's a lot of different investor types that can now access Bitcoin through our spot ETF, and so we're excited about that, and I think that will really kind of prove out over time.
Jay, my turn. I'm going to jump in. It's Guy. Look, if I buy a BlackRock model portfolio, is there going to be Bitcoin in there now?
I can't speculate on that. I would say that, again, this is about access to so many different client types in the market. If we take a step back, there are people who have already had Bitcoin exposure but would prefer it through IBIT, through the ETF itself that could be transacting in this product today. There's people who couldn't access Bitcoin but now can because of IBIT being on the market. So this is about kind of providing that access to a wide range of investors.
Let's talk about who those investors are. So won't speculate on model portfolios, but is this product for retail or is it for wealth managers? Is it for advisors, financial advisors? What's your expectation of who will actually be buying this ETF?
Just like all of our ETFs, it's really for everyone. I mean, I think, what is this solving for, right? I think if we start with why does IBIT have appeal to investors? First, it's the access it's providing. So investors who want to see Bitcoin alongside their other portfolio holdings can now do so with an ETF. I think people who are looking for the convenience of an ETF in the Bitcoin space, kind of removing a lot of those complexities around the cost of trading or the tax reporting or deciding between hot and cold wallets, is providing that value. And then on top of that, it's really about the quality that BlackRock is bringing to the space, that institutional grade infrastructure that we've really been focused on in ETFs for over 20 years. So when you combine those together, access, convenience, and quality, that appeals to several different investor types.
All right, Jay, let's talk about fees here, because fees across the board are extremely low. When it comes to the BlackRock product in particular, this fund will charge 25 basis points eventually. It does have a 12-month waiver of 12 basis points. And with that in mind, with fees so low, what's the break-even level of assets needed for this fund to be profitable?
I mean, I think investors focus on fees, but more importantly, they focus on quality. And when you look at, the 1,300 ETFs we manage globally, the investment grade technology we bring to the space, the professional level of risk management that's involved in this ETF, I think people see that this pricing is really competitive. And it's not just about chasing the lowest fee, it's about balancing cost as well as that quality that's coming in.
So that's the investor perspective, but from BlackRock's perspective, again, fees very low. Would you expect this to be a loss leader for a while?
No, we really benefit from the scale of our platform. 1,300 ETFs, $2 trillion in the United States. That allows us to really bring that quality at scale.
Jay, do you think the market needs all of these ETFs? Do you think there's going to be a winnowing process that takes place here?
I can't speculate on the market. I know that our customers wanted BlackRock to bring out the IBIT ETF. So, we're certainly happy to be able to provide that access today and to really solve a client need that we've been asked for over the last few years. This was a multi-year journey, listening to clients and knowing that we could bring a great solution to the market.
What would success for this product look like a year from now? Because, for example, iShares does have a few other crypto-related products. I look at the iShares Blockchain and Tech ETF, for example, the ticker there, IBLC. You take a look at that. That launched in April 2022, only has about $18 million in assets. What are you expecting for this product? What would success be?
I mean, look, this is day one. I would say success is getting here. I think this is so exciting to bring out a spot Bitcoin ETF to the market with IBIT. We've seen from clients over the last few years the interest in this product, and it'll sit alongside our broadest platform in the ETF space, over 400 ETFs. So I think the ability to get this exposure or to consider this exposure alongside all the other exposures we provide really allows investors to get that granularity they need in this kind of uncertain macro environment.
Hey, Jay, it's Alex again. When you talk to clients, do they have like a pot of money in cash? They're just like waiting and chomping at the bit to buy a spot Bitcoin ETF? Or do you get the sense that they're going to be like selling out of other stuff to buy this thing? I just want to get an idea of sort of how the money shifts.
It's really up to every investor to decide if and how they're going to allocate. We know that there's some people who have been waiting either because they didn't have that access before or they had a different way of getting exposure and they prefer the ETF. So let's go.
And I do.
If you ready, let me see it. If you ready, let me see it. Let's go. And welcome back, guys. What's going on, everybody? Much love to the AJC squad. I see you guys in the chat. I've been watching. I see you guys out there. Much love, man. Much love to each and every one of you guys, bro. Thank you for hitting that like button for me. And let's get right into it, bros. Let's get right into it. No drunk singing. No. No, for sure, bro. None of that. None of that, bro. What is good? What is good, peoples? My peoples, what is up? And welcome. Welcome. What's up, Ascending Bull? Appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate you guys. We got 70% on the poll. I love it. I love it. I love it. Bitcoin has not done much of anything except get wicked down pretty hard, man. And to be honest, that's all it's done, bro. But you know what? We did wick, man. We wicked pretty damn good right there. Let me see this. Wicked all the way up above the box, 48.9. Wicked all the way back down though, 48,900. Almost 49,000, bro. Wicked all the way back down to 46.2. Insane. CPI gonna bring the volatilities. Look at that. Man. Massive, bro. Massive. SEC approves Bitcoin ETFs for everyday investors. The exchange-traded funds will allow investors to buy Bitcoin as easily as stocks or mutual funds. Bros, it's here. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission voted Wednesday to allow mainstream investors to buy and sell Bitcoin as easily as stocks and mutual funds, a decision hailed by the industry as a game changer. Although the price of Bitcoin is really not doing much to reflect that yet. Clears the way for the U.S. exchange-traded funds that hold Bitcoin to be sold to the public. Expectations of U.S. regulatory approval for such funds drove the price of Bitcoin to the highest level in about 2 years. The digital currency traded just below 46K late Wednesday, up from 17,000 in January. Which is exactly why in January I was like, buy Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin. I was trying to tell everybody, man. Nobody wants to listen. Nobody wants to listen, bro. Everybody kept saying it's going lower. It's going to 12K. It's going to 10K. It's going lower. Until now, everyday investors who wanted to buy and sell digital currencies have had to either trade on crypto exchanges and incur hefty transaction fees, or purchase products that track Bitcoin in less direct ways. At least half a dozen Bitcoin futures ETFs are already on the market. Those funds use futures contracts to provide exposure to Bitcoin price moves, though they have been criticized for often straying from Bitcoin's price. All 11 applications filed by asset managers, including BlackRock, Fidelity Investments, ARK Investment Management, Investco, WisdomTree, Bitwise Asset Management, Valkyrie, and Grayscale Investments, have been green-lighted to list the new funds known as spot Bitcoin ETFs because they buy and sell the digital currency itself, are expected to begin trading on Thursday. Today. Okay, so. Wait, is today Thursday? Yeah, bro. It is Thursday. Listen. Today is a monumental day in the history of digital assets. So, my question is, what's going on with the price, right? What is going on with the price? What is going on with the price? Bitcoin ETFs could see up to $100 billion in inflows if SEC approves. So where is this $100 billion at? Is it coming, guys? What do you think? Are we going to continue? Because we just got wicked down hard, close to 49K. Wicked down, brutal wick there. Absolutely brutal wick. I couldn't vibe with that at all. Could not vibe with that. Now, my thing is, we've got a good long ways to go, right? Bro. This level is so crazy right here, man. I mean, it's like make or break, but honestly, we're doing fabulous. Holding support above this trend line here. I mean, we're holding support above that. That's fabulous, bro. I mean, you should be looking somewhere up here in this range. I mean, this is literally, we can test our previous bull market cycle tops, right? You can test those for resistance, but Bitcoin is poised for a just gigantic move right now. I think maybe people just aren't convinced, right? I think maybe people just aren't convinced yet. And I don't blame them, right? I don't blame them for not being just totally convinced right now to just go all balls deep. Because, I mean, where we're at right now, and it's just like the halving is still months away. I just feel like, you know, this is definitely, it's sketch to say the least. I'm going to say that. It's sketch to say the least, bros. It is sketch. Balls deep, man. Balls deep. That's right. Bro, that's right. Balls deep. But no, for real though. For real. I mean, this thing just be looking ugly. Look at that. Look at that nastiness. Just look at it.
feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
What just happened here? What was that, bro? Bro. I don't know what just happened, bro. I was just like, yeah, I definitely went somewhere. I definitely went somewhere, bro. Oh my god. Okay. This is insane, bro. Why is it not? What just happened? What did I just do here? Bro. Bro. What is going on? What is going on, bro? What the hell? Bro, what is going on? What the? Okay, this is being crazy right now. There ain't no way my connection is this slow, bro. There ain't no way. There ain't no way it's that slow, bro. What the hell? What the? Let's go. Okay. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. What is going on, dude? I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs, I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Let's try this again. For some reason, bro, this is taking forever to load. There's no reason why it should be doing that. Okay. Bros. Bros. Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely, bro. Alright, look, I'm going to take some coin suggestions from you guys. I'm going to do some TA for you guys on some coins that you guys want me to check out. I'm going to see what you guys are thinking about the crypto market right now. And we're going to do this shit. We in this together, bro. We in this together. And we're going to take a look at your coins, man. We're going to do some TA. Basically done covered the news, bro. It really don't take that long to cover news, man. People be just repeating stuff. Like, you hear it, you see it once, and you're good. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, let's go. I'm packing a bowl for this one. Bro, yes. Bro, I mean, why not? You know what I'm saying? All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bitcoin ain't doing diddly shit, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna look at some alts. We're gonna take a look at some altcoins, man. What is that, a cabbage leaf? Green fingers, what's good? The local 420 ascending bull bros. Welcome in, welcome in. Much love for smashing that like button for me. Thank you guys, bro. Much love, much love. All right, look. Done. Okay? Done. I'm gonna go throw this away. Bitcoin ain't doing shit, so we're gonna look at some alts. Somebody give me some altcoins here in just a minute. Give me 1 second, and then we're gonna look at some altcoins, okay? Because, bro, Bitcoin, bro, doesn't look good at all. As of right now, bro, I mean, it looks like ass, okay? Considering the news, bro, it looks like ass. So, is it priced in? Possibly. Because look at the pump, man. Since the beginning of this year, right? Since January, bro, it's been nothing but up, basically, if you look at the on the weekly. So, let me go throw this shit away, and we're going to look at some altcoins. Let's go. I appreciate you guys. Chat, you guys are awesome. Let's go. Let's go. All right, 1 second. All right, what's good? Index. Look at Tiger Man dropping the alts already. Let's go. I got some of this. It was hiding in the freezer, bro. It was hiding in the freezer, bro. But listen, we're gonna leave that down there for a minute. We're gonna stick with the H2O for right now, bro. We're gonna stick with the H2O for right now. All right. Let's go. Index. All right, bro. Bitcoin trying to get a bounce there at 46, almost 46 even. Bitcoin trying to get a bounce, bro. All right, let's go ahead and throw it up. Bro. Index?
If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never, and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself.
Bro. Bro, we looked at this before, I think. On the previous stream. Index, bro, is ready. She's ready, bro. She's ready. Look at this. Look at this freaking squeeze, bro. You bounced off the 200. You broke support, bounced off the 200, reclaimed support. Got rejected by the resistance, confirmed resistance, but you're squeezing tight. Look at that nice squeeze, bro. Breakout coming soon, man, on index, for real. Definitely. Breakout coming soon on index. It's got a little bit more room to squeeze, though. If you stretch these lines on out, you do got just a little bit more room. You could squeeze right into the tip of this thing before actually getting that breakout. Right? But either way, man, it's definitely going to get that squeeze in, bro. Support from this would line up, actually. With the downside target, the support from that would line up. But upside target looks good too, bro. Upside target lining up with resistance as well. Previous resistance back here. Look at this. Right here. Here. Got above it there. Broke back below. Got rejected here. Bullish target lines up right there with that resistance. Beautiful. Orca. Orca. We're going to take a look at Orca. Orca. All right. So Orca. Let's see. What's up with Orca? Okay. On the 4 hour. On the 4 hour for Orca. Bro, nice downtrend here. Nice downtrend though. Beautiful. Beautiful. Orca looks good. I mean, this right here this downtrend's bearish, but if this thing can squeeze down into this descending or this falling wedge, bro, you could definitely get you a nice pop to the upside out of this. Now, although you do have the fact that the 50 on the 4 hour, the 50 just crossed below the 200 there. That could be potentially bearish there.
Mental health tip for January 11th from mental health professionals at Self. Give yourself something to look forward to. Having events to look forward to, big or small, can help provide daily motivation.
Alexa, stop. The hell? Mental health tip? The hell? Anyways. Support right here for Orca, $3.80 down here. $250 to $3.80 support there. Honestly, Even a breakout of this would barely get you up here testing the top. Alexa, stop. But still a nice squeeze into that falling wedge though. Perp? Perp. Alright, I got you on some perp. I got you on some perp. Ooh. What you doing? What you doing, perp? Perp. You got some resistance coming up. $1.50, $1.47. But nice little pop out of that. Would likely get you to the next level of resistance, and it sure would. Nice little pop out of that might get you up to almost $2 for perp. If you do get you a nice little pop out of that ascending triangle there. Should get you to these next candle closes. Resistance near $1.97, $2 for perp. Downside break out of that or break below $1.32. Probably get you down here to the 200. Possibly, maybe, possibly this support right here. 112, give or take 112, 110. But the 200, it would probably line you up with the 200 on the 4 hour. For perp, beautiful though. It does look like perp's trying to push a breakout right there. On the 4 hour too at that. That 4 hour candle's moving, bro. You see that? It's above the 50. Perp might be one to look at here. Much love, you guys, for the 14 likes. Let's go. Maybe at 20 likes, I bust out the Jaeger. I'm just kidding, guys. I really can't drink. Not yet. Later tonight, yeah. Later tonight, sure. We will. We'll get sloppy. We'll get sloppy later tonight. That's right. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you're new, bros. And we're gonna get sloppy tonight. No, I'm just kidding. Not sloppy. Not totally sloppy. We gotta be good. We're gonna be good. We'll be good. PG-13. I got perp at 70 cents. Bro, you got perp at the best possible price ever. Holy hell. Man, I ain't never bought no perp for no 70 cents, man. It's always been at least 20 a gram. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Anyways. Love you guys, bro. Love you, Tiger Man. Dude. Listen. No, but for real though, back in the day, man, can you believe we used to pay 20 a gram? Man. My wife says please do nut. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what that is. uh 20 a G, you getting ripped off, bro? That's like 2000s prices. That's what I'm saying, bro. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Perp about to perpetrate the resistance, bro. Perp's resistance about to get perpetrated. Listen, Nucleon. What the hell is Nucleon? Is that a coin? Nucleon, and it's called Nut. The ticker is Nut. Nucleon Nut. Oh, bro. Bro, this can't be real life right now. Nut in you. What? What? No. No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not, bro. Oh my god, what am I looking at in the chat? What am I looking at right now? What am I looking at? $10? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up just a second, bro. Hold up. $10. What? You gotta be kidding me, bro. Okay, I'm about to look this up, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Nut. Wait, there's... Okay, hold up. Nut money? Nut money? What? What? Nut. Native utility token. Good one. Nucleon. Which one is it, bro? Nut. Oh my god. Nutcoin. Nucleon. She brought it a year. What? Bro. Why is it $10 a coin? Max supply, that's why. Bro, fully diluted market cap 3.2 mil? What? Max supply 299,000 nut. Dude, that's a low ass max supply. What the hell? What the hell? Why is this taking so long to load? What is going on? Bro, why is... Bro. What is happening right now? Bro, what is going on, dude? We got nut. Bro, I don't know what is happening, but that's crazy, dude. $11? Why? It just jumped up to $11. Bro, it just jumped to $11. It's up 5%. That's crazy, dude. How much was it when she bought the nuts? How much was it when she bought the nuts, bro? Bro, greed at 73. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my God. Bro. I just went all in on nut. You guys are nuts. You guys are nuts, bro. Bro. But yeah, perp, bro, looking good here. Perp, ready to perp out, perpetrate. Bitcoin still, bro. Still, look at this. To the moon, my friends. To the freaking bloody moon. To the bloody freaking moon, bro. For real. Let's do it. To the moon. What? Oh my God. You should start a third channel, Average Joe Nugs, where we look at weed together. I mean, be kind of, be pretty freaking cool, I guess. Be like review videos, Nug reviews, Nug reviews. Bitcoin on the 4-hour below the LSMA, below resistance. In my box perfectly, guys. I just want to point that out, bro. In my box perfectly. Perfectly. From October, guys. I put this box in October. You don't believe me? Don't believe me? We can pull it up. We can absolutely pull it up, bros. Freaking October. Which is crazy. But it's legit. In October. Bro. Bro, look at this. Look at this, bro. Just look at it. Right? Look at that. October 18th, bro. The price of Bitcoin down here. Same chart, by the way. Same chart, bro. Same chart. Same freaking chart. Let me just show you. Go to the weekly. I've adjusted it a little bit since, but same exact chart. Price was down here. Price was down here when we dipped below this first line right here. Right? That was this dip right here. The price was right here. Right before the pump, actually. Right before the pump.
My reason being for that, guys, is that is a very, very critical area, in my opinion, near $40,000 up here. A very critical area from the previous price action. That's about all I've got right now for you guys, but stay tuned. I will be going live on a more regular basis as soon as I can get my DoorDash.
Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, man. Called that perfectly, really. In October, bros. Freaking October. And now we're trading sideways inside of that box. Absolutely wild. What's up, Deadwood? What is going on, Deadwood? Bitcoin with the sideways action right now. I say a midnight stream, bro, is in order. I say a midnight stream is in order. I think the price action is going to be different come midnight. I do. I really do. I think it's going to really change up come midnight. Rusty let Granny be and come back to the crew. Oh my God. I love it, bros. Much love, man.
from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough cause time. I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
That one gets me every time, guys. Every time. When you hitting alts, bro, we're hitting alts right now. Makeup is looking good. Wait, what? Makeup? Excuse me? Bro. Let's go. Alright, so, yeah, we hitting alts, man. We hitting them alts. We hitting them alts right now. Bro. Which I did look at a few. I looked at a few. But yeah, definitely. Also, guys, definitely those of you in Discord, man, drop some altcoins in Discord, somewhere in a dedicated spot where I can see them, and I will make videos. I'll do some videos on those altcoins specifically. For real. I need some ideas for some videos, so that would be great. Drop those altcoins in Discord. And I'll do some analysis videos on some of those. E-Doge? What is E-Doge? I've never even heard of E-Doge before. What is E-Doge? What is E-Doge? Oh, Elon Doge? God. See, there's so many different freaking Elon coins and dog coins, man. There's so many dog coins. So many dog coins, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Bro. Bro. For ETH? You want? Okay, I can look at Ethereum, yeah. Ethereum Classic running Alpha for my sanity. Bro, I don't know about this, but this looks terrible. This thing's so low. Oh my god. Bro, Elon Doge. I mean, bro. Man, ETH Classic trending right now. Up 11%. up 11%. 7-day looking fabulous. ETH Classic. Bro, ETH Classic looking juicy. Looking juicy. But ETH, bro, ETH. Look at ETH on the 1 hour. Tell me that don't look bearish, bro. Looks like ETH's gonna drop. ETH is gonna drop to like 2,500, bro. 2,530. If that doesn't hold, it's gonna drop down to about 2,450. But I mean, you definitely got potential. ETH potential. Head and shoulders trying to play out right on the 1 hour. And a breakdown of that would definitely get you down here to about 2,430, 2,450, which would have been my target anyways, just based off the indicator. But that's also the measure move target of the head and shoulders. So 2,450. Possibility for the downside. First level of support though, 2,500. You're at about 2,600 now. $100 move to the downside coming up for ETH for sure. Almost positive. I mean, no guarantees, but it does look that way to me. But that's a decent correction. That's an okay correction after this run up, right? Decent run up there, so that's an okay correction for that, right? But it does look slightly bearish for the short term. Ethereum looking slightly bearish for the short term, for sure. Let's see. What else? Let's see real quick. Real quick, look at Chainlink. A quick look at Chainlink. Chainlink also looking slightly bearish here. For the short term anyways. I mean, really, it's just a nice little channel here. You're really not doing much. Trading sideways, bro. Slight bearish potential here. Come down, test support. Chainlink, though, same thing, not doing much. Everything's sideways right now. Everything seems so uncertain. Really sideways. For a 4-hour chart, bro, that's pretty sideways for Chainlink. But nice run up. We could be just testing, waiting for the next move. Right? Chainlink looking good, though. Chainlink always been one of my top picks, man. One of the first coins I bought in 2018 was Chainlink. Teddy, much love, bro. This channel is awesome. Been a fan. Thanks, man. No problem, bro. Much love to you, my man. I appreciate you. Not much going on, though. Alexa, stop. Alf? Let's see, what's up, Alf? a lower entry point on Alf. I think you're going to get it. She coming down $1.95. Be looking for $1.95. $1.95. I don't know about much lower than that. If it does, $1.85 here, and about $1.55, $1.55, 56 for Alf. Let's go, let's go. AJC, my friend, is ready for a massive pump. It is ready for a massive, massive pump. It's just patiently waiting for the right person to come along and just pump those bags all the way to the moon. Just because they can, right? Because it would really not take much to pump the bag, man. It would not take much at all to pump the bag. I mean, a few good buys and AJC coin is going to be up like hundreds of percent. That's all it would really take, bro. I mean, really. That's really all it would take. What's good, Striggerheart? What's good, my brother? Look at that. Would you look at it? Would you just look at it? Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, I've got to bounce, but I'm going to leave the stream going for a little bit. I'll be back in just a little while. I will see you guys very soon.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I can see my dreams, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go. I'll make things cause I'll do anything to make what a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen no many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Want a reality. I'll give up everything. If I can see my dreams, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go. I'll make things cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh. To last with the ironic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I can change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah.
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters. They're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now.
wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now.